Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And you see these two guys? You see how they looked up real quick like and was like, oh man. Oh, no. So I just wanted to come over and, Dave's replacing the roof on that Grand Design Solitude that tore. And so he's in here prepping the moldings. He's cleaning, removing all the alpha, sealing off of them, getting ready to put putty on them. And then here's Terry with that new Skylight, another video that we just showed you on another Grand Design reflection. So he's putting the putty tape back down and getting it all prepped and clean, but look how much lighter and translucent. Can I pick it up real quick? Yeah. How lighter and translucent this Skylight is compared to the other one. So we'll go see if I can't walk out and catch that other one. Is the other Skylight still sitting by the coach, Terry?
Threw it in the garbage.
Oh, he's in the garbage? Okay, well, no big deal, but you'll see it in the other videos. But this is back here in one of our other prep areas. It's kind of our, moldings, metal shop area, wood area where we're doing a lot of fabrication, stuff like that. Then as you turn around, again, this is the shop, one of the shops. We basically have three buildings. And here's that Solitude that we're replacing that roof on. There's a reflection, there's a reflection, there's a reflection. And if you've ever wondered, do we got a lot of screws and staples? Each one of those drawers is full of hardware. We got another set like that over at the other building. So quite a lot of stuff to keep up with. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy this kind of behind the scenes of what's going on in the shop. Thanks so much.